Welcome back to Work Smart Jamaica. Many Jamaican workers believe that once you cross the tax threshold, all your income gets taxed. This is not true, and that misunderstanding causes unnecessary stress. In the last video, we talked about why your take home pay is less than your salary. Now, let's break down one of the biggest reasons why: income tax. The tax threshold is the amount of income you can earn before income tax applies. It does not mean everything above that line is taxed unfairly. It simply means tax applies only to the portion above the threshold. Let's say the threshold is a certain amount. If you earn more than that, you are taxed only on the amount above it, not your entire salary. That's the part many people misunderstand. The reason it feels like your whole salary is taxed is because the deduction appears as one single line on your payslip, but the number is calculated, not random. Income tax is not a punishment for earning more. It's a structured system based on thresholds. Understanding that removes fear. However, you should question your tax deduction if it suddenly increases without explanation or if it doesn't align with your earnings. The goal is not to fear deductions, the goal is to understand them. When you understand your tax threshold, your pay slip makes sense. In the next video, we'll explain how income tax is actually calculated step by step so you can follow the math yourself. Stay informed, stay protected. Don't just work hard, work smart. Know your rights, Jamaica.